Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I have something a little bit different. We're going to be unboxing some Kane Active Recovery shoes. I got these in the matte Choi colorway, the collaboration they did with him. I thought that was the best looking one that they had, and they actually ship them in the shoebox. So I had to take off the labels, which is why, as you see there and here, kind of just took that off. But I got these in a size 11. I'm usually 11 and a half, 12. But with these type of shoes where you don't usually wear socks or anything like that, I usually go 11 with slides and Crocs and stuff like that. So I'm going 11 here, and we'll see how they fit. Opening up the box here, you're pretty much just greeted with the shoes. It has a little divider in here that talks about the design. Breathes, stimulates, supports, rebounds, cushions, and grips. And they're called Canes because they're made with Brazilian sugarcane, which I think is pretty cool. You also get this little bag here that comes with, it's like these little back ties for the shoes. Just like little pull tabs, I guess. But you do get extra blue, yellow, and then this little yellow divot piece that kind of just goes into the back here. I guess you can swap it out with the blue ones, swap these out. I'm kind of just going to leave them the way they are. But yeah, taking a look at the shoe, it kind of looks like the Morels that I had before, where there's just like a water shoe. But these have little divots in it that help recovery. They're supposed to be super comfortable like Crocs. But I just wanted to give something a try that was a little bit different than what I had. I always buy Crocs, and I'm kind of getting over them, going out wearing them and like to Target and stuff like that. Like, I just wanted to switch it up. I wanted to try something different, and I thought these were pretty nice. These are also supposed to be like an active recovery shoe, so I think that would be better too. But yeah, I thought the colorway on this one was really nice. It's like a really light blue with navy blue and yellow speckling going throughout. You get the Limitless here, and then I think you get Matt Choi's signature here in the heel. The bottom seems to be pretty grippy, so I wouldn't really be concerned about that. When I wore my Crocs and it froze out here, I was slipping and sliding everywhere outside, but these look to be pretty good. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to do an unboxing to kind of show you guys the colorway that I picked up. I got the matte Choi version again, and like I said, I'm pretty happy with them. There's a lot of cool designs on there. I really like that Legends pair that they have. But for right now, I just wanted to get something that I think I could wear with everything, and I think this kind of covered that. Hey, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all next time.